Hi, Norbert here, energy engineer, and explaining the two laws of thermodynamics. They are very important for energy. Let's start with the first law, which says that energy is conserved. It's not destroyed nor created. It's only converted from one form into each other. An example of do-it-yourself, which is fascinating for me, is the conversion of chemical energy of gasoline into electricity by a genset. This method is not efficient because, in addition to this first law, energy conversions are also subject to additional laws. For example, in this conversion from chemical energy to heat energy to mechanical energy and then to electrical energy, there's a tax that must be paid to Uncle Entropy. Please, who is that? Okay, it is not a person, it's just a law of nature that tries to bring all forms of energy into the big ocean of low temperature heat, from where it is very difficult to go again into useful energy. And that is the second law of thermodynamics. In simple terms, energy is always going, like water, downwards and losing its specific value more and more. I compare the energy loss of a conversion into a tax that has to be paid, because it's often a percentage of the energy in the initial form. In our example, that's the chemical energy in the gasoline. So that only a part is available in the final form, in the desired form. And in our example, that is electricity. And the tax that we pay in this conversion is not less than 70%, which we pay to Uncle Entropy and which goes into the big ocean of low temperature heat. So how would a do-it-yourself react, and why I think it's a fascinating example? Well, we would act like a shrewd taxpayer, of course. Instead of using only the electricity, we would use this heat to heat ourselves in the winter, for example. At least the second law of thermodynamics will not stop you. So as a conclusion, understanding these two thermodynamic laws is essential for anyone who wants to make a positive impact on the environment and create a sustainable future. And as homework, I would like to invite you to find examples of these two laws into your everyday life.